Happy Sunday, viewers, and welcome to Hot TV and Radio. I'm here with Mrs.
Olaniye.
What has God done for you, and you want to testify to the public?
I am happy today say God saved me because 5 years ago, my husband have built us before in Atewonika. So we built us. Sickness happened to me. I'm celebrated before. People are jealous, say I'm selling well. From then, they throw arrows to me. My neck is swell off. They carry me up and down for this beginning. When our pastor is dry well, they are taking me to home. But God take control. I believe God. God take control because He not let me die. Upon the old deterioration, inside the deterioration, my husband sell house. He sell everything. I turned to tenant back. We turned to tenant back. God, that time my children there's no money to send children to go school. They start to go primary school. There's no money. But when I was keep on prayer, because many people say this church you are going, it's not church because your pastor is there. Why did you not see solution to our problem? But I was believe say it get reason. If there is no reason, this thing will not happen like this. So I keep on to pray to God. But many people are talk challenges. There's no money. Inside I come back for that sickness. I was pregnant for twins.
Twins! Jesus! Guys, can you hear twins? Come on, continue, man.
I was pregnant for twins. When say my husband say I should go and remove it. But I tell our pastor say I should not do that because before I met my husband, they are giving me the revelation for Lagos say I'll get pregnancy will be twins for girl, 2 girls. So when the thing have come, I started to tell my husband say they already tell me this thing, so I can't remove this pregnancy. I can't do that.
Listen to me, guys. Before her twins, there was a prophecy that was released from a pastor in Lagos, and it came to pass. Husband asked him to remove. He said no because a prophecy have said that she will have a twins. Continue.
So when my husband is hurt me, but I said I can't do it. So I was keep on with prayer, say God help me, including he used to buy baby things. My husband we did not buy for me, but God sent many people to me to help me. Some will dash me money. I'll keep the money to buy baby things. From there, when the temptation too much, I go and stay in the church. My pastor comes and come and stay in the church. I stay in the church for a good 3 months because before I come to that church, I can't peace. My leg is big, everything. Temptation is too much. I stay in that church. People have told me in the hospital say it's operation. Within my friends say it's operation. Now I say she will not happen. I tell my pastor say they say operation. My pastor tell me say if you want to born, nobody will know you. You will not know the time you want to born. So they want to do harvest like that. Not harvest. They'll do everything. My pastor just come with him say today you will not eat harvest rest tomorrow. You will born. I say hey, daddy lie. I jump go up. But that night it no reach 1 hour, sir. Labor started to hold me for inside that church. They took me to one woman for near the church. It not reach 1 hour. God do a miracle. I burst safely.
Twins! Yes. Twins in the church! Yes. Hallelujah! Hallelujah! I'm happy for you, testifying what God has done in your life. So what is your advice now to those who are watching you that say, is there still God? So what is your advice to them? If God can do it for you, through sickness, from landlord to tenant, but now God has restored you again to become a landlord. Just advise the people.
The thing I want to tell people say, whatsoever that is happening, they should believe God, serve God with your whole heart. Nothing God cannot do. Make them not to say because something is happening, they want to go back or go native doctor. It's only God can do it, and get patience in anything. So that's my own advice, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. We appreciate your testimony and your advice to the public. So once again, what's the name of your church and the pastor? The name of the pastor and the church.
The name of pastor is Pastor Irabo.
Your church name, please.
Aston Center of Life for EOR for Transformer. That's my church, sir.
Thank you, ma. Thank you, audience, for watching this awesome testimony by Mrs. again. Olaniye. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Hot TV and Radio. God bless you.